Hi, I am Madhu from Karur, Tamil Nadu. I am skilled in quality assurance and quality control, which is very essential for oil and gas industry. Now I am performing this video to get WSQ Council certificate. Now I am going to perform liquid penetrant testing. It belongs to NDT. Before the testing, we have to clean the surface by using solvent cleaner method. Now I am using solvent cleaner to remove the contaminations on the surface. Now I am applying penetrant on the surface. Now we have to wait for 10 minutes as dwell time.